Okay, so this is Legian Beach, and we're just gonna walk down that way. Legian. Got a tennis court, and the beach just kind of goes all the way down to Seminyak and goes all the way down to Kuta, and we're in the middle in this area called Legian. And we got a nice sidewalk. I'm going to talk about that and film it as well. Okay, so we're on Legian. You can see all the bean bags and all the it looks like they got flags as well. I think some of the flags are to do with surfing, swimming, stuff like that. And we're just gonna walk all the way down the sidewalk. And I don't recall a long sidewalk like this before. But I was just talking to, I went over to Sanur and I found out that that sidewalk was new. It was like 1 year ago. So I don't know, maybe they created a sidewalk here and it just stretches down quite a long ways. I saw it at least in Seminyak and all the way down here. Got massage right there. Massage at the beach. Surfing lessons. And we're just gonna walk. We'll probably just keep the camera on for about 10 minutes and kind of walk through some of the main stuff here. Legian. Yeah, I like it now. You have these the shade with the trees as well. I don't remember it being like that. I don't remember it having a sidewalk like this. In the past, I think you had to walk in the sand, but maybe somebody can make a comment down below and just kind of let me know how long that's been here. Maybe it's been here a long time and I just didn't know it. That's the surfing. I think these are lights for at nighttime, which is kind of good. Bloody cold beer. Welcome to Winnie Beach Bar. So it's like each one has a different theme of who owns it. Ketut and Ronda Beach Bar. So yeah, actually Kuta is kind of like this too. It's kind of set up where you have each one is owned by a different person, and then they'll serve you drinks and collect money. So I guess they rent it from somebody. They're kind of a small business. So here's one, Kanoa. Kanoa. Neoman Bar, Padma Beach. Got some Buddhas here. Hello. How are you? Very good. So okay. So yeah, a lot of beach bars. Looks like there's a lot more when we get all the way down there as well, because I can see tons of umbrellas. Welcome to Mama's Bar. Batur Bar. So I guess this is actually called Padma Beach. Padma Beach. So I don't know, maybe it's not Legian. I think Legian is this general area. You can see some surfers way down there. Probably should walk all the way down. Okay. So, but we're gonna stick to our path. Yep. Legian or Padma. I guess I might have to label it as both. Legian between Seminyak with Padma as a parentheses. If I don't do that, maybe let me know. I might label it differently. Okay, so we're gonna follow this path. Got some places to eat up here. Give me a bar. Yeah, actually Kuta looks a lot like this. And actually we're next to Kuta anyway, so it's actually quite close. Bayou's Bar. Winds Bar. Each one has their own.
Winds Bar.
Hello. Winds Bar. So yeah, each one has their own flavor, so you got somebody you can hang out and drink beers with as well if you come and choose one. I think the main goal is just to choose one, and then that's kind of where you stay, and then you can drink and hang out, and you can kind of see that. I saw that all the time in Kuta anyways, but that's kind of the same here. Ned Kelly Bar, Ella and Dut Beach Bar, and we got a we got a guy right here, Horace John Bar.
Horace John Bar.
Nice.
Recommend it for your friend, yeah?
Okay, we'll do.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, no. Yeah, Mike.
That's Honest John's Bar. Ciao. Yeah, people are really friendly. Yeah, actually, if you choose a place and just hang out, you'll like it a lot. Sammy and Cece's. Hello.
How are you?
I'm very good.
Yeah, good.
Uncle Chan's Beach Bar, Froggy's Beach Bar, Wayan's Bar, Mr. Chocolate Bar. Oh, that's a great name. Mr. Chocolate Bar. Tommy and Sarah Bar. So yeah, basically each one has their own space. Actually, this is kind of a nice setup. And actually there's some really cool Indonesian people that are very friendly, very talkative. So it's actually a great place. If you just choose one place, you're good. If you walk around too much, then you'll have to constantly say no to people. Kangaroo Beach Bar. And Michael's Bar is coming up. Bruno's Bar. They all got their own flavor. Kind of take care of you, so if you need anything. Cedar's Bar. JD and Skippy's Bar. I gotta speak a little bit louder because that music might ruin my video a little bit. Uncle Beach's Bar, Mama Slim. So we'll just come a little bit further down to the end. Maddie 2 Bar. Thank you. Okay, so we're almost coming to the end. We'll come up to this little statue and then we'll just see what's on the other side. I think we got some music as well, so I have to speak a little bit louder just to kind of capture it a little bit, go over it a little bit. Hello. And this is kind of the monument. And it looks like we definitely have a lot more. Let me see, we are at 7 minutes. Okay. So I think I'm gonna come to an end here, but you can see that this is kind of the theme of this area. So if it's interesting place to come and drink, get your bintang beer and everything you need in here. They'll just keep bringing it all the way to your chair. You just rent out a space and you're all good. Lots of vendors around as well, so they'll bring stuff to you as well. And I think Kuta is basically the same. We'll go film over there as well. Okay. Hello. Bali Angel Surfing Lesson. All right. So okay, we'll just go down just a little bit further. We can definitely see the structure of it. Lots of different bars, super places. David Beach Bar. Very nice. Dear David.
What's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin, nice to meet you, Kevin.
Good to meet you as well.
Sit down here, relax. Yes.
There it is, right there.
Yes, come to David Bar.
That's the place.
Yes, come here.
Terima kasih.
Just come here.
Thank you. So, all right, we're gonna keep on walking down. Got some more to film. And if you see yourself on camera, just say hello. I'm filming, so I don't want to stop and go there. But this is what it looks like. So if you want to come here, you can. There's some surfing as well. So they're doing surfing lessons. Kind of want to film that a little bit, but at the same time I don't want to invade the privacy. So we're coming up kind of near the end, I believe, but we're kind of in the middle. I'm not sure now. It's kind of cool to see the surf lessons though. I wouldn't mind just kind of showing that and have that as a video clip. But I also don't want to okay. So it looks like a lot of them have surf lessons as well. So you can surf. Yeah, I guess if you really enjoy, you know, finding a good spot where you can just learn to surf here, have a beer, get a seat, sit in the shade and just kind of watch. You got a good spot here for that. Okay, so we're just gonna go a little bit further. And you got all the drinks to the side as well, which I should probably do as well. And we're almost near the end here. You can see the beach all the way out there as well. And basically that was the whole path that we just did, this one right here. And we're gonna come to an end right here. And so we're basically at Legian or Padma. Let's go a little bit further. Gotta find an exit. Okay. And I got the exit, so we're gonna take it. And so we got some resorts out here and kind of the main street. So we're just gonna take you to the ending spot. And then we're gonna end the video in a moment. Let's see. So there we go. Kind of out at these resorts and such now.
Yeah.